Shri Gurave Namaha. Namaskaram. On behalf of Ponnambalam Academy and Rasika, I extend a warm welcome to one and all of you today, this evening, to a Bharatanatyam recital by Kumari Rasika Rajagopalan. Rasika has been trained at the Ponnambalam Academy of Dance and Music. She has been under the guidance of Guru Srimati Ranjani Ganesan Ramesh of Kalakshetra. Rasika, a very talented young budding artist, formally stepped into the field of Bharatanatyam as a young budding artist last year, and thereon she has been performing regularly at some of the major cultural centers in India. Based in Almaty, Kazakhstan, Rasika continues her training with Guru Ranjani and is an ardent disciple. She has performed in all the major productions along with her Guru and nurtures the ambition to continue her pursuit in this chosen field of art. Rasika today will be accompanied on the Natvangam and vocal by Guru Srimati Ranjani Ganesan Ramesh. On the vocal, Srimati Vasudha Balakrishna. Mridangam, Shri Kartikeyan. Violin, Shri Shadagopan. Flute, Shri Sunil Kumar. Rasika would commence her recital today with a Guru Vandana. Guru Purnima coming shortly the day after tomorrow. Myself and Rasika would like to extend our gratefulness and our heartfelt respects to all Gurus. It's a privilege and honor that I have with me here this evening my beloved Jaya teacher, my great Guru. She has been my pillar of support, and today it's because of Jaya teacher that I have been able to continue my service in this field, and in all aspects of my life I have been able to see some amount of success and happiness. I owe it all to Jaya teacher. I'm also very happy today that we have amidst us another very, very beloved Guru, Srimati Savitri Jagannath Rao. Auntie, as I would call her very fondly, has been a mother to me in all my steps in my life. I'm most happy today to have them both. We offer this performance to all my Gurus and seek their blessings. We would commence with Guru Vandana. Go on to present the Ganapati Kautvam in Ragam Valachi, set to Chaturasrayakam, followed by Khanda Alaripu and a small Vritam praying Lord Shiva. श्री गुरवे नमः श्री गुरवे नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मल स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारम् निधये सर्वविद्या हयग्रीवमुपास्महे हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्री गुरवे नमः गुरवे नमः गुरवे dit dit tei tam dit dit tei 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 dit tei tam dit dit tei dit dit tei tam dit dit tei dit dit tei tam dit dit tei dit tei tam dit dit tei dit dit tei tam dit dit tei dit dit tei tam dit dit tei dit tei tam dit dit tei dit tei tam dit tei dit tei tam dit dit tei dit tei tam dit dit tei dit dit tei tam dit tei dit dit tei tam dit dit tei dit tei tam dit tei dit tam dit tei dit dit tei tam Takkuta tunga tanguku 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 hittam kutakki takkinna tunga takkuta tunga tanguku 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 hittam kutakki takkinna tunga takkuta tunga tanguku 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 hittam kutakki takkinna tunga takkuta tunga tanguku 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 hittam ta tangit kitatatit tit tam tat tat tam kitatatat tat tam Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Ganesha Jaya Ganesha 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 Jaya Ganesha Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Ganesha Adi tit mad gane vi
विनायक विनय केड अरुलिय गणपति जय जय हरि तिरुमरुगने विघ्न विनायक विनय केड अरुलिय गणपति जय 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 गणेश जय गणेश गणेश जय गणेश 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 जय गणेश जय गणेश गणेश जय गणेश हरि तिरुमरुगने विघ्न विनायक विनय केड अरुलिय गणपति जय जय हरि तिरुमरुगने विघ्न विनायक विनय केड अरुलिय गणपति जय 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 गणेश जय गणेश गणेश 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 तिरुमरुगने विघ्न